Hi there, hello, welcome once again. Recently, I visited a Royal Enfield showroom nearby and I found this amazing product. This is one of their value for money product. It's nothing but the welcome kit, which is also a gift box. I thought of sharing you my experience in unboxing this particular gift product and see what's all inside this amazing box. Without wasting further time, let's get into unboxing and then see if these products inside are really worth and value for money. Royal Enfield is historically famous for delivering its quality products. So this is also one of a very good quality product. This costs only 890 rupees. Usually when you buy a Royal Enfield bike from the showroom, you can also buy this as a welcome kit. You can say this as a gift box as well. This box contains 4 different useful products. The very first product inside this box is a very good leather keychain. Let us see what is more inside this box. You will also get a pin badge as a second product. The product that I have got is the Thunderbird pin badge. Thunderbird is a very famous bike in Royal Enfield history. The next item inside the box is a headgear. You can also say this as a scarf. Even you can use this as a face mask as well. The last and fourth item inside the box is a wonderful ceramic coffee mug from Royal Enfield. You get all these 4 useful items in one single gift box, but each of this product costs different price, which is higher than the total cost of this particular gift box. So let us have a closer look of each and every product and their cost. So the leather keychain. So it's very solid make. So it's a genuine leather and it has got brass elements, and you will have a logo of Royal Enfield which is a brass finish, and you have a brass ring as well where you can hook on your keys, and the other end is a hook which is also a brass finish, and you can hang this in your belt loops. If you are going to buy this keychain separately, it's going to cost you 500 rupees. So we also provided the link for this product and where to buy in the description. You can have a look at it. Now the rider's pin badge. So if you are into motorcycle riding, you will have an habit of collecting lot of badges. So this is one among the badges. So this is the Thunderbird badge which I have got. There are many different badges available as well, GT, helmet badges, and also Royal Enfield logo separately. But if you are going to buy this pin badge, it's going to cost 200 rupees. The link for buying this badge collection is also provided in the description. You can have a look at it. The next one is a headgear. You can say this as a scarf as well. So usually riders wear it before wearing their helmet. So this will help in absorbing the moisture from the sweat. So when you do a particularly long rides, a lot of riders use this as well. If you are going to buy this product separately from Royal Enfield, it is going to cost you around minimum of 300 rupees. Once again, in the link for buying this product separately is also given in the description. You can check it out. The final item is the ceramic coffee mug. So you have Royal Enfield logo or the branding on one side, and you have the classic bullet imprint on the other side. So again, buying this product separately is going to cost you around anywhere from 350 rupees minimum. So now we have seen all the products inside this gift box or the welcome kit. If you are buying all this product individually, you are going to spend almost 1315 rupees. But this gift box is just 890 rupees. So if you find this useful and if you find it worth, then you can visit the nearby showroom and you can grab your box. Thanks for watching this video and thanks for your time. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your valuable comments, like, share with your friends, family and relatives. Please do subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.